We're all about simple, powerful ways to care for the skin, and the most crucial step in any skincare routine is cleansing. And the fact is, most people are already making several cleansing mistakes, and their skin is feeling the effects. One of our favorite methods to ensure an effective, complete cleanse and a healthy, clear complexion is double cleansing. As a holistic esthetician, I have seen these cleansing woes all too often with my facial guests, which is why for almost a decade, I have begun every facial treatment with the double cleansing technique to leave the skin balanced, purified, and properly hydrated. Depending on your skin condition, climate, and lifestyle, you may need to double cleanse every night or just a few times a week. Feel it out and find what works best for your skin. This two-step cleansing technique starts with an oil-based cleanser, and the second step is a water-based or glycerin-based cleanser. Here's how to double cleanse. After removing any eye makeup with our baby oil, I'll usually use about 2 droppers full of cleansing oil. I'll warm the product within my hands and apply it directly onto dry skin, even on top of makeup. Take about a minute or 2 and work the product into the skin, focusing on areas that tend to be more problematic, such as around the nose and around the chin, as well as areas that tend to carry more tension, such as your jawline and your forehead. On the neck, I even like to do light downward strokes to stimulate the lymphatic system. This is the body's natural cleansing system, so these massage movements work wonders beneath the skin. Next, soak your clean washcloth in super warm water. The warmth helps to draw out dirt and grime to the surface of your skin. Press the warm, steamy washcloth onto your skin until the temperature cools. Take a few deep breaths and pretend like you're at the spa for a minute. Gently wipe away the product and impurities with the washcloth. Soak the other side of your washcloth and repeat the removal process if necessary. And pay special attention that all of the cleansing oil is completely removed from your skin. Starting at the forehead and working your way down. Use our gentle goat milk baby bar to complete the second part of cleansing. Splash your skin with warm water, lather the baby bar between your hands, and massage into the skin, paying special attention to problematic areas or parts of the face that carry more tension. Rinse with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Double cleansing only adds a minute to your cleansing routine, but will add multiple benefits for your skin. To learn more about double cleansing and these products, visit our website at primarily pure.com.